Welcome to this video on designing learning solutions to address performance needs. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, organizations are constantly looking for ways to enhance their employees' skills and capabilities. This is where learning solutions come into play. These solutions are designed to meet the specific performance needs of individuals and organizations, helping them achieve their goals and objectives. So, how do we go about designing effective learning solutions? Well, it all starts with a thorough analysis of the performance needs. This involves identifying the gaps between desired and actual performance, understanding the root causes of these gaps, and determining the objectives of the learning intervention. By conducting a comprehensive needs assessment, we can ensure that the learning solutions we design are aligned with the specific performance needs of the target audience. Once we have a clear understanding of the performance needs, we can move on to the design phase. Here, we need to determine the most appropriate training methods and instructional strategies. This could include classroom training, e-learning courses, on-the-job training, or a combination of these methods. The key is to select the methods that best meet the needs of the learners and the organization. In addition to selecting the right training methods, we also need to consider the design of the learning materials. This includes developing engaging and interactive content, incorporating real-world examples and case studies, and designing assessments and evaluations to measure learning outcomes. The goal is to create a learning experience that is meaningful, relevant, and effective in addressing the performance needs. Once the learning solution has been designed, it's important to implement and deliver it in a way that maximizes learning effectiveness. This could involve scheduling and coordinating training sessions, providing necessary resources and support, and continuously monitoring and evaluating the progress of the learners. By actively managing the implementation and delivery of the learning solution, we can ensure that it is meeting the intended performance goals. In conclusion, designing learning solutions to address performance needs is a critical and ongoing process. By conducting a thorough needs assessment, selecting the right training methods, designing engaging learning materials, and effectively implementing and delivering the solution, we can ensure that our learners are equipped with the skills and knowledge they need to excel in their roles. So, whether you're an organization looking to enhance your employees' performance or an individual seeking to develop new skills, remember to invest. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on designing learning solutions to address performance needs. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of creating effective learning solutions and how they can help improve performance in various contexts. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, what exactly is a learning solution? Well, it is a carefully crafted program or intervention designed to develop the knowledge, skills, and abilities of individuals or teams to meet specific performance goals. These solutions can take many forms, such as training programs, workshops, e-learning modules, or even on-the-job mentoring. The key is that they are tailored to address specific performance gaps or challenges. Now, why is it important to have robust learning solutions in place? Well, the answer lies in the fact that organizations face constant changes in their external and internal environments. New technologies emerge, business processes evolve, and customer demands shift. To stay competitive, companies need to ensure that their employees have the necessary skills and knowledge to adapt and perform effectively in these changing circumstances. Learning solutions provide a structured and systematic approach to address these performance needs and ensure ongoing development. When it comes to designing effective learning solutions, one size does not fit all. Different individuals and teams have different learning preferences and needs. Therefore, it is essential to employ a variety of instructional methods and formats. This could include a mix of traditional classroom-based training, online modules, mobile learning apps, or even gamified simulations. By catering to different learning styles and preferences, we can achieve higher levels of engagement and knowledge retention. In conclusion, designing learning solutions to address performance needs is a vital aspect of organizational development. By creating tailored interventions, aligning them with organizational goals, and evaluating their effectiveness, we can drive performance improvement and ensure the ongoing development of individuals and teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Stay tuned for more content on learning and development.